Adapt these strategies to your strengths, interests, and the preferences of your Facebook audience. Building a successful income stream often involves a combination of quality content creation, effective marketing, and consistent engagement. Facebook Ads Manager. Learn the basics of Facebook ads, Manager and its features, understand targeting options to reach specific audiences, offer services to businesses for AD creation, optimization, and campaign management. Charge a fee or a percentage of the ad spend as compensation. Dropshipping. Set up an online store on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Research and choose reliable dropshipping suppliers. Create engaging product listings on your Facebook page. Focus on marketing and customer service. You don't handle inventory or shipping. Profit by the price difference between your supplier's cost and the selling price. Ebook sales. Identify a niche or topic you're knowledgeable about. Write a well-structured and valuable ebook. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, KDP, or others to self-publish. Share excerpts and promotions on your Facebook page. Encourage reviews and engage with readers to build a loyal audience. Subscription services. Offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or premium services. Use Facebook's subscription features or link to an external platform for payment. Regularly provide unique value to retain subscribers. Engage with your subscription community through posts, Q&A sessions, or exclusive live events. Virtual assistants. Showcase your skills, whether it's in administrative tasks, social media management, or other virtual assistant services. Create a service catalog on your Facebook page. Clearly communicate your rates and the scope of services you offer. Highlight your efficiency, reliability, and ability to handle tasks remotely. Topic for your virtual events based on your expertise or interests. Use Facebook events to create and promote your virtual event. Decide on the pricing model, whether it's a one-time fee, ticket sales, or a subscription for a series of events. Engage with participants during the event through Q&A sessions or discussions. Consider recording the event for additional monetization through on-demand access. Joint ventures and partnerships. Identify potential partners or collaborators within your niche. Reach out with a clear proposal outlining the mutual benefits of collaboration. Co-create content, host joint events, or cross-promote each other on your respective Facebook pages. Leverage each other's audiences to expand your reach. Establish clear terms for revenue sharing or other collaborative efforts. Facebook gaming. Set up a Facebook gaming creator page. Choose games that align with your interests and have a potential audience. Engage with your viewers through live streaming, comments, and interactive elements. Explore different monetization options such as fan support, stars, or sponsorships. Consistency is key. Establish a regular streaming schedule to build a dedicated audience. Local services directory. Identify local businesses and service providers interested in reaching a broader audience. Create a well-organized directory on your Facebook page, categorizing services. Charge businesses a fee for premium listings or promotional posts within the directory. Actively promote the directory and encourage community engagement. Regularly update and maintain the directory to ensure accuracy and relevance. Print on demand. Create and sell custom-designed merchandise using print-on-demand services. Advertise and sell through your Facebook page. Affiliate marketing. Promote products through affiliate links on your Facebook page and earn commissions for every sale generated. Remember, successful implementation often involves a mix of marketing, networking, and delivering value to your audience. Adapt your approach based on the evolving needs and preferences of your Facebook community. Building a sustainable income on Facebook requires dedication, innovation, and responsiveness to feedback.